Hello guys, I'm Arvind and welcome to this session. And in this session, we are going to check whether the given number is prime number or not in Python programming. So guys, let me open up the Jupyter notebook. Guys, prime number is a number which is divisible by 1 and itself. So we will first take the input from the user by using input function, and this input function will provide you input in the string. So we need to convert that string into the integer. So to do this we will use integer function. So let's take the input from the user. Now guys, I am taking one more variable and I have initialized this variable by 0, and now I am using for loop. The arguments of range function will be 1 and n plus 1. Guys, if n percentile I equals to 0, then we will store this approach in the variable c equals to c plus 1. And now if c equals to 2, then we can say number is prime number. Otherwise, number will not be prime number. Now guys, if I run these scripts, then it is asking to input any number. So let me enter a number. I have entered 7, so it is giving 7 is a prime number. Guys, let's run this program again, and now I am entering, let's say, 25, and it is giving 25 is not a prime number. So guys, I hope it is clear to you, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.